Welcome to the weekly SFX market forecast. We're gonna start with the news events this week, just to see what to have a heads up what will happen in the upcoming days. So Monday we don't have anything special, and then we have a Tuesday GBP and JPY later in the New York session as well. Fed Chair Powell is speaking again, and we have ICI manufacturing PMI for the USD. So USD, GBP, and JPY definitely is going to be hit on on Tuesday, 1st of July. And this is when the new monthly candle is going to form. Then Wednesday we have USD, and Thursday we have CHEF, CPI, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, and Friday is 4th of July bank holiday. So this week we have NFP on Thursday, not on Friday, because 4th of July is basically bank holiday, so everything is going to be closed. Banks are going to be closing businesses in the US. So interesting week ahead. But anyway, we're gonna head to the technicals. We're gonna go straight to the gold. So last week I told you guys to look for 3350 level, as you can see, because we had a break of structure down there, and only retracement was left. Why 50? Because of the round number. That's why 50 as well. I think it's seen on the lower time frames. On H1 we have a supply area or order block, how do you want to call it. Anyway, going back to fourth, so we had a nice rundown that broke the structure again here. So with the war ending between Israel and Iran, and nothing much is on the news for the Ukraine Russia, so I think the gold is not on the risk side anymore, and I think it's going to fall down slowly. I do believe that we can definitely hit this for our low, this very low, but definitely have to see a retracement first, depending how we're gonna open up. But definitely I'm looking at for retracement to this supply area, the latest one. You can see we had a break of this as well, even though I don't use trend lines. It's sometimes it looks nice, so I drag it out. But anyway, we have a supply area 3320. Yeah, this level 3320. I'm gonna mark that up. 20ish. So I'm definitely looking at for gold to come in between 0.62 and 7.05. So I'm looking for possible shorts whenever gold decides to come to this level. So pay attention to this region. And definitely we're gonna look for possible first TP at this low, and then all those lows on the left side. So this low, and that finally we have at this major H4. Okay, but before we go to this point, let's check the daily. So as you can see, the daily time frame, it's falling nicely to the downside. Let's see the weekly as well. The weekly, as you can see, that we broke the previous bullish weekly candle, so we have a break of structure there on the weekly time frame. So definitely we're gonna look for possible retracement early in the week, and then because Friday's bank holiday and Thursday's now the NFP, definitely we can expect this to arrive at least on, let's say, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then slow down. Okay, but let's see how the technicals are going to perform anyway. Okay, GJ. So let me start from the weekly. So GJ definitely is bullish still. So we broke above the previous weekly highs. We are currently at this major weekly level. We have a weekly fair value gap. Above, we have a liquidity areas there. I do believe that we're gonna break them. We're gonna check the JPY index in a moment. So weekly bullish, daily kind of undecisive at the moment because of this area. This area is very strong at the moment, right? It's in 199.0. So this area definitely is interesting. Let me correct the number. Coordinates. Let me just write 9900. Okay. So this is definitely the level that is worth paying attention to, because if we break above this level, then definitely 200 can be met, 201 and 202 can be met as well. Why not, right? So daily kind of undecisive, trading around this region. H4, as you can see, we are in the kind of range on H4. We had a break above this high. We have a fair value gap. We have a demand level on H4. This is going to be interesting as well. So I'm going to where is it? I'm going to mark the bottom of it. Okay, this is where rejections happened on 197, as you can see, 00. So this is where rejections happened, like that. Okay, corrected. So fair value gap, let's see how it looks like on H1. Yeah, so range, again, we are in the range in the consolidation market on GJ. I didn't trade it last week because of it, but definitely pay attention to this area. If we could get like a sell-off down there to this demand level, and from this point push higher, that will be awesome. But it's much more likely as well that we're gonna hit 99 before that. So let's see how market is going to open up. We have I think it's, let me check, 30 minutes. Yeah, going back to one. So we definitely have a nice area of support here at 198.20 level is currently holding. Okay, so if we break below this level, then definitely this demand area is going to be met. So I'm going to mark that up as well. And then from this point on, I'm going to look for longs definitely. But I'm keen to see what will happen on the opening and on the Monday London Open tomorrow morning. And if this region, this level can be met before that, and we go from there. But overall, I'm bullish on GJ, definitely bullish. Okay, guys, so patience, okay, risk management, and stick to the trading rules you have, and wish you best of luck.